Now that we've finished our 12 exercises, let's learn how to create a detailing template. For doing so, we're using as a measure an A4 sheet, but you can create yours as you will, like A3, A2, etc. To draw on this sheet, we need to keep on the same environment, so we're starting by opening a new drawing as we've done before. I'll draw the template of an A4 sheet, and I'll leave the measurements I used on the description, okay? Now we add the text to our caption, starting with the title. For that, we'll habilitate the text tool. There's a lot of configuration on this tool, like font, text alignment, color, width, scale, and much more. We'll type the text, reminding you all to keep the standard option selected. Now we're positioning the text on the sheet, and we're doing the same with the rest. We'll input parameterized text. For that, we need to select the text tool again and habilitate the question option. If we do it, we can create a question, which is shown in a form when we insert it into our template. Notice that when the question option is habilitated, the software automatically added an interrogation point and 2 dots in front of the text. Moving forward, add a standard answer that will be shown in the form. As I'm using this template, I'll add my own information, but you can personalize it as you will. Now we'll add an image on the highlighted spot. Remember that for the image to be inputted, that space must be separated from the rest. Using the trim tool, we'll separate the edges, like that. Inserting the image is very simple. Just select those 4 lines and click with the right mouse button, selecting the Edit Attribute option. Now we select the image icon, select Search, and find the image you want. If needed, you can adjust its size on the configuration. Last but not least, we're saving the sheet as a standard pattern to use it again next time. Selecting the Sheet Templates tab will habilitate the Create a New Sheet icon. We'll select the detailing area of the sheet. The saving path of the standard template is in the SolidFace folder. We'll create a simple folder called Standard Templates and save this sheet there, naming it A4 Template, repeating it on its description. And we're done. Our standard sheet is already inputted as a standard template. In our next video, we're going to show you how to input the created template on an existing detailing. Well, guys, that's it for today. Remember to subscribe, click the notification bell to receive our alerts for our weekly training videos.